Okay, so instead of creating a separate folder for you to put your assignments in, I just want you to keep it in the student data files folder. So you will see like the regular files, and then you will also see your solution files all together in the same spot. Okay, we're just going to do it like that. I'll be able to see which ones are solutions because they will have that word, but just keeping it all in one spot will keep it a little simpler. And then to turn it in, what you need to do is simply come outside of the folder, right click on it, and send to a compressed zipped folder. When you do this, it's going to like simplify things, like compress them. So that way it can be more easily turned in. And then this zipped folder we'll just rename. Okay, like just put your name. Just like that. So then you'll have your original, you'll have this. And then what you're going to do is you'll reply to my email that I'm about to send you. You'll go to attach files. You'll go into your folder. And you will see this, okay, this zipped one. Just click on it. You're not opening it up and attaching several different things. You're just going to click on that. And when you press open, it will attach it. And just sit. You don't have to type anything to me if you don't want to. You don't have to do a separate folder, nothing. Just real straight simple like that. And even if you don't retitle it, I will still know that it is yours because you will have replied to me. Okay, so let me know if you have any questions, but this is what we're going to do each week. Okay, if you do have feedback on how that week went, you can type it into that email. Okay, all right.